Have you ever wondered how some people make money online while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? The internet has created endless opportunities, but most people just don't know where to start. Today, I'm going to share 7 proven ways to make money online, even if you're under 30. No big investments, no fancy degrees required, just smart strategies that work. I've seen countless young people turn side hustles into full-time incomes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start. Most people think making money online is either a scam or something that only works for tech geniuses and influencers with millions of followers. But that's simply not true. The real problem is that schools never teach us how to leverage the internet to build wealth. We're taught to follow the traditional path: study hard, get a degree, find a job, and work for years. But that doesn't guarantee financial freedom. Meanwhile, young people today have more opportunities than ever to make money online. Whether it's freelancing, selling digital products, investing, or leveraging platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The possibilities are endless. But here's the catch: you need to know where to start and how to avoid common mistakes. That's why in this video, I'll walk you through 7 real ways you can start making money online, even if you have zero experience or capital. So, how do you actually start making money online? There are 7 proven ways that anyone under 30 can use to generate income. Some of them require skills, others need creativity, and a few can even make money passively over time. We'll cover freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, investing, and more. I'll break down how each method works, what you need to get started, and how to maximize your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start building your online income today. And who knows? One of these might even replace your 9-to-5 one day. One of the fastest ways to make money online is freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, coding, video editing, or even managing social media, you can get paid for it right now. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for your expertise. And the best part, you set your own rates and work on your own time. Let's say you know basic video editing. Businesses and content creators need help polishing their content. You can offer simple services like cutting clips, adding captions, or improving audio. It's an easy way to start earning with minimal investment. Another great example, copywriting. Every website, business, or brand needs words that sell. If you can write engaging product descriptions, social media posts, or even emails, companies will pay you for it. The key to success: build a portfolio and start with small gigs to get reviews. Then raise your prices as you gain experience. Freelancing doesn't require a degree or years of experience, just a skill and the willingness to start. One of the most powerful ways to make money online is selling digital products. Unlike physical items, digital products have zero inventory costs, no shipping hassles, and can be sold an unlimited number of times. Think about things like ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, stock photos, or even coding scripts. You create them once, and they keep generating passive income for you forever. For example, if you have a skill, like graphic design, writing, or music production, you can create products that help others. A digital planner, a resume template, or a music beat pack could be something people are willing to buy. Where do you sell them? Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy for printables, Teachable for courses, or even your own website make it super easy to list and sell digital products. And once it's up, you can market it using TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest to drive traffic and sales. The best part? No need to deal with refunds or restocking. Your product is always available. This is one of the most scalable ways to make money online for young entrepreneurs. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online without needing to create a product or provide a service. You simply recommend products or services you like, and when someone makes a purchase using your special link, you earn a commission. The best part? No upfront costs, no inventory, no customer service headaches. Just pure commissions from brands willing to pay for new customers. Big companies like Amazon, Nike, Apple, and even software companies like Shopify and Bluehost have affiliate programs. You sign up, get your unique referral link, and share it on social media, a blog, YouTube videos, or even TikTok. For example, if you love tech gadgets, you could start reviewing headphones, gaming gear, or productivity tools. Post about them on Instagram, Twitter, or a blog, and when people click your link to buy, you make money. Some of the highest paying affiliate programs are in finance, software, and high-ticket products. Imagine making $50, $100, or even $500 per sale, just by referring the right product to the right audience. Affiliate marketing scales massively. The more traffic you get, the more you earn. And over time, it can become a full-time income stream. Imagine running an online store without ever touching inventory. No packing, no shipping, no storage costs, just pure profit. That's the power of print-on-demand and dropshipping. With Print-on-Demand Pod, you can sell custom-designed t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. But here's the catch. You don't print or ship anything yourself. Instead, platforms like Teespring, Printify, and Redbubble handle everything for you. You just upload a design, promote your products, and whenever someone places an order, the company prints and ships it for you. You keep the profit without any upfront investment in inventory. Now, dropshipping works similarly. Instead of designing custom products, you sell trending items from suppliers using platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, or Spocket. When a customer orders from your store, the supplier handles fulfillment, and you pocket the difference between the wholesale price and your selling price. Some people build entire brands around these business models, selling everything from fitness gear to home decor. The key? Finding a niche, using social media for marketing, and offering something unique. With the right strategy, print-on-demand and dropshipping can be highly profitable side hustles. YouTube isn't just a place to watch funny cat videos anymore. It's a goldmine for young creators who know how to turn content into cash. And the best part? You don't need millions of subscribers to start making money. Here's how YouTube actually pays. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. But ads aren't the only way to make money. Many small creators make thousands per month through brand deals, digital products, and fan memberships. And it's not just YouTube. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitch offer creator funds and sponsorship opportunities for those who can grow an audience. The trick? Find a niche and post consistently. Whether it's finance, gaming, fitness, or personal development, valuable content attracts views. Even if you start with just your phone, you can build a personal brand, create multiple income streams, and turn content creation into a full-time business. If you commit to creating content and improving with each video, YouTube and social media can become your gateway to financial freedom. One of the fastest ways to make money online with almost no risk is flipping. Buying low and selling high has been the foundation of business for centuries. And now, thanks to the internet, it's easier than ever. Here's how it works. You find undervalued items. This could be thrift store finds, clearance deals, limited edition, sneakers, or even digital assets. Then, you resell them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or Stocks for a profit. For example, many people buy used electronics, clean them up, and resell them for a higher price. Or, they flip sneakers buying limited edition releases and selling them for double or triple the retail price. The best part? You don't need a lot of money to start. Many flippers begin with just $50 to $100 and reinvest their profits into bigger opportunities. Plus, with the rise of dropshipping and retail arbitrage, you don't even need to handle inventory yourself. If you have an eye for deals and some basic selling skills, flipping can be an amazing way to generate cash quickly. And some people even turn it into a full-time business. While most people think investing requires huge amounts of money, the truth is, you can start with just a few dollars and grow your wealth over time. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency has become one of the most accessible ways to build wealth online. Platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and Binance allow you to start investing with as little as $1. And with fractional shares, you can own a piece of companies like Amazon, Tesla, or Apple without needing thousands of dollars up front. Crypto, on the other hand, is more volatile but has made many young investors rich fast. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum have skyrocketed in value over time. And with new opportunities like staking, DeFi, and NFTs, there are ways to make money beyond just buying and holding. But here's the key. Investing is not gambling. To succeed, you need to educate yourself, invest consistently, and avoid emotional decisions. Those who play the long game and reinvest their earnings can turn small investments into financial freedom. If you start early, let compound interest work in your favor and stay patient. This could be one of the most powerful ways to generate long-term wealth. If this video gave you even one new idea on how to make money online, do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps more people like you find this content. And if you're serious about building your income, subscribe, because we talk about real ways to grow your wealth every single week. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 7 methods are you going to try first? Are you starting with freelancing, digital products, or flipping items? Drop your answer below, and I'll be reading every comment. The most important thing, take action today. You got this? Here's the truth, your future isn't built overnight. But every big success story started with one simple step. And today, you know exactly where to start. Maybe it's launching your first digital product, or maybe it's flipping a single item for profit. Whatever it is, just start. Because the biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't, action. So don't just watch another video and forget this. Take one step today. That's how you build momentum. And before you know it, you're on your way to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video.